Hi everyone, I'm Jess, and this is our final day of the Sallie Tomato Co unboxing. We're very excited about this final gift. Day 14. Keep your bearings intact with this makeable item in the colors of the ocean. It's also great to add to pillows, a table topper, or travel bags for Kristen, Mackenzie, Miranda, or Gwen patterns. We have another brand new free Sallie Tomato pattern to wrap up the Sallie Tomato Co Box. This is our Mariner's Compass applique pattern, and you can't go wrong with this classic design. We've included a few faux leather fabrics, including Electric Blue Legacy and Robin Egg Pebble, which coordinate with our Mariner's Compass theme, so you can create this bold design. My mom, Renee, designed this applique to use scraps of non-woven fabrics, so you can embellish your favorite bag patterns or even home decor, such as pillows, wall hangings, or table toppers. We love this applique on the Poppins tote since it has such a large panel for embellishment, but we also had fun adding the applique to the Gwen circle bag, which is a much smaller design, but the applique fit perfectly. The Mariner's Compass applique would also look amazing on the Aurora or Misty totes, as well as the Mackenzie or Miranda shoulder bags. What project would you add this applique to? Do you think you'd show it off on a bag or try it on something like home decor? Let us know in the comments, we'd love to hear. We hope you've enjoyed every moment of this year's Sallie Tomato Co Box. We truly love putting this together for you each year. And if you'd like to get your hands on next year's box, be sure to sign up for our newsletter using the link below so you'll be the first to know when it's released. Please share and show off your photos of the projects that you make from the items in this box. We'd love to see your style and creativity. Use the hashtag SallieTomato and hashtag SallieTomatoCo on social media so we can see it. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we wish you a transformative year of sewing ahead.